Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to see the topic website security. Okay, before that, take the page number 22. Here, they had given a plain text. Okay, and also the cipher text. By using this cipher text, they have converted into a plain text. And here, the cipher code is as a tabular column. Okay, so here 3, 2. First one is row, second one is column. So 3 is here. 3 in row and 2 in column. So 2. H. H. Okay. Next word 5, 1. Okay. 5, 1. Row in 5 and column in 1. So E. Next 1, 3. 1 is here. 3 is here. L. Next is also 1, 3. So L. Next one is 4, 3. 4. And next one 3. O. Hello. Okay. So we get the plain text here. So by using this cipher, we need to write the answer. So 3, 1. 3, 1. C. Okay. 3, 1 is C. Next one 4, 3. Row 4, column 3. O. Okay. O. Next one is 2, 3. 2, 3. So the answer is M. Next one is 5, 3. Can you say the answer? 5 is here and 3 in column is here. So 5, 3 is P. So answer is P. Next one is C, M, P. 3, 4. 3 is here in row and 4 is here in column. 3, 4. Yes. Okay. Next one is 4, 4. 4 is here and next in column 4 is here. So the answer is T. 5, 1. 5 is here in row and 1 is here in column. 5, 1 is E. 2, 4. 2 is here and in column 4 is here. R. So now we get our plain text. Okay, so now we get our plain text. So now take page number 18. Website security. Okay, today topic is website security. When we buy railway tickets online, credit card information has to be given. In some places, passport numbers are taken as identification information. So, when we are buying tickets in online, we need to register. Okay, we need to register in online. We need to give our credit card information or our debit card information as well as your name, age, date of birth. In some places, we need to give our passport number also. Many sites ask for personal details when a payment is being made. For online banking, bank account information has to be given to access account information. All such information has to be kept secret between the client and server. So, if you need to pay in online payment, so it will ask your bank details. Okay, it asks our bank details like your debit card number, account number, like this. Okay, some of them they will ask information about our bank account. So that information need to keep secret between your client and the server. Okay, right. Did you observe the HTTPS in the URL of the sites which ask for this information? Yes. when we are using a website, before that you can see a word as https colon double slash. Yes, have you all seen it? Yes, or else we can use http colon double slash. Okay, when we want to book train a ticket online, the URL used is https colon double slash www.irctc.co.in slash. Okay, so this is the website for to register in train. Okay, to get your train tickets. What does https means? Okay, what is the use of this https? So first, what is the abbreviation of https? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Okay, this is the abbreviation of https, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. https means that the information that you provide is encrypted. So what is encrypted? Encrypted means is the process of converting data into the form that can be easily understood. Okay, since sensitive informations like email ID and date of birth need to be provided for ticketing. So here we need to give our email ID, date of birth, and all those information is encrypted. Okay, the website is configured to use data security for transfer of information over the network or computer to server. So here they need to give safety to our personal details. So for that purpose they are using this https. Okay, Hypertext Transfer Protocol is used to protect our personal informations. https provides encrypted communication between a client and a trusted web server. It is a communication between your client and a web server. https connections are often used for payment transactions on the internet and where sensitive information needed on an information system. We are using this https mainly in payment transactions through the internet, and also in the sensitive informations where we need to give. Okay, so this is the use of the website security. Here we are using https, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, to protect our personal informations and also our payment transaction details also. Okay, the second unit is completed. Thank you.